Welcome back to the DISCUS program channel here on YouTube. This is Reinhard Neder, and I'm going to guide you through the installation of the DISCUS package on a Mac operating system. First thing we need to do, of course, is go to the DISCUS package homepage. You can either follow the link here on the channel or in your browser type something like DISCUS simulation package home. If you type all these keywords, you should find this list, the hit list here. And the first one should be the link to the DISCUS homepage, so please click on that. And on the DISCUS homepage, all we need to do right now is go to the download side. And from the download side, we will need two files. The AAA install _discus Mac OS PDF document, that is a written guide to the installation, which you could download and have a look at that. We'll quickly get this down here right now, and it gives you the detailed instructions how to run the program. We'll look at that in a moment. The other thing we need is the actual installation script here, this BBB install _script mac.shell. Let's download that as well. Voila. And if you now have a look at the installation guide, this tells you what to do. Basically, what we need to run this BBB install script that we just downloaded. Easiest to do that is to run the script in a terminal. Before you run that, though, you might want to check here on the top left of your screen in the Apple symbol. Go to the System Preferences. On there, check the Security and Privacy tab and scroll this to Disk Access, to the full disk access, and check that the terminal has the check mark set here for full terminal access. If it is not yet set, please go to the lock here, unlock that, and make the necessary changes. Alright, once we've done that, we can open a terminal. The terminal you can find here with the Finder, just typing in the Spotlight search a terminal and an enter. And then we move this here and make it a little bigger. What we need to do is first set the execution rights for the BBB script. So we need to do chmod user +x. This will allow the script to be run. You will find the file in $home/downloads. You can type the tabulator key to complete things. Type BBB and then again a tabulator key to the script, and now the script is executable. And we'll quickly run the script as well. Type same thing, $home/downloads tab BBB, hit the tab, and then we will start with an enter the installation. At the very first time, the script will install the Xcode, Xbrew, and quite a bit of other scripts required to implement programs, compile programs, and generally have a system development tools available. So this will take a moment. It will ask for your sudo user password. If you do not have sudo rights to your Mac, please talk to your system administrator to install the DISCUS script on your computer. Right now we can run this. Since I've installed the script on this computer before, the initial installation of Xcode, Homebrew, etc. will be skipped. It's already done. And then at some point, the installation will ask you here for the actual DISCUS installation. And you have the choice to either open it globally for all users on the Mac into user local bin, or into your own home account /user/your username/bin. On a Mac, I would generally recommend to install it locally, so choose the L here as the choice. And then the program will start downloading all the essential parts from GitHub and compile the program on the fly. So once we've installed another installation script and the actual DISCUS source code, the compilation will begin. If you're updating the program, the pgplot library, the graphics library that we use, will have been installed already. In that case, you can just simply type to use this library. Otherwise, of course, you might choose to compile it new. Yeah, and right now I can just use the U to use the library, save a little time, and then the actual compilation of the DISCUS program starts. That shouldn't take too long, depends of course on the speed of your computer. So right now we're starting this, and I might cut some of the minutes out of the script here of this video, but this shouldn't really take too long. While this is compiling in the background, let's move this here to the side. You see in the installation script there's not really anything else that we need to do. Once it's completely compiled, you will have on your computer in your home directory a directory/folder called diffuse_install. That's where all the source code is. The compiled programs will actually then be copied to $home/bin. And to keep a separate directory is my recommendation, where you want to store your macros and data. So leave this diffuse install macro by itself. Don't touch that. That's just for future updates of the program. The next part then will be to install Java, since I use the JMOL program package to display crystal structures. Once the program is completely installed, as I mentioned, the last step that is required is to download Java and to download JMOL. Since that's rather big, this download will take a time. In the meantime, let's have a quick look here at the installation script. After you're done, I would recommend to close the current terminal and then open a new terminal. And within this new terminal, all we have to do is now type discus_suite to run the program. The reason for that is that I have modified your profile, your _profile file, in which all settings are defined, the path to the DISCUS suite is defined, and that will be only active once you start a new terminal. You don't have to do that later on again. All right, this is done. It's not finished now, so let me close this terminal here. Simply type in exit, and then I can close it here. Start a new terminal. Let me make it a little bigger. And then I can type discus_suite. And there you go. That's the current version, soon to be version 6.0. I will put on the YouTube channel further videos that explain how to use the program, how the syntax of the commands works, how you can simulate crystal structures, nanoparticles, and all with that. For the moment, I will just simply exit the program, enjoy the program, and I look forward to seeing you on this YouTube channel in the near future again.